Remember that contestants will now be keeping their voting number, so take note of your favorites and vote them to victory. All right? The first prince of the segment made it loud and clear that him nah mind no man. Back this week to deliver another big tune is Symatic.
Hello. Good night. I know that. Come here, no, just over the sun. Say, I know that. I know that. I know that. I know that. Anywhere we go, Mr. Girl, follow me and them want follow me. I know that. Man, a top girl is a even bunty. If you look up to me, I know that. If professionals touch your eyes, cause I him, I go open eye. I know that. Symatic, me a general. Me not tell no lie. Me take my boy girl just like us, cause I did take where I shine from the one name foot of hype. Me now go talk this because me want a one strike. Me I go tell you this tonight. Banjo girl come over the hotel and cut with me over. Tell me every night. She say, well I know. When me put it on her she that oh gosh no right. I know that. Anywhere me go, Mr. Girl follow me and them walk follow me. I know that. Man a top girl is all evil bunty. If you look up to me, I know that. If I touch your eyes, cause I him I go open eye. I know that. Symatic me a general. Me I go prophesy. Me love the way you back it up, jack it up, put it on me, and me love the way you bring it up again. Love the way you fling it up and set it for me, even though me and you just a friend. Love off the grip on the bad girl wine where you stand, and me love off your auntie when she get a one touch and she wants it again. So me nah do it again. Just up and panty, you know look like alien in a Ben 10. Let me tell you why me see the girlfriend, cause everywhere me go them want the pen. I know. Everywhere me go, it's a girl.
I know that. I know. Judges, talk to me about Symatic. Professor Nuts.
No, I gotta say, kudos everything to you. Believe it or not, you know what me respect with you? You always come with that song and we can remember tomorrow. I know that. I can always remember that. And that's what we always talk about. Someone who come and say something where we can remember. Me not fi talk that whole heap of something, you know. But you see right about now, no go. We are going to put him in the back of the net. Magnum, make we put him to the back of the net. One more. Beautiful.
Bounty killer. Mr. General.
Good night, everybody.
Yes.
Now, you have this authentic folk song singing Jamaican sound. Your voice, extraordinarily unique. And that is something that can make you outstanding. But your lyrics is very fun-filling. And your performance, you're rounded on the stage and you're having fun. This is where you belong. Stardom. You are a little star. And you're going to be a big one soon. Bullet!
I know that.
I know that.
Judges.